Hello children, how are you? I hope all are fine. Today we are going to start chapter 1. The name of the chapter is The Lively East. In this lesson we will learn about some big cities in eastern India like Kolkata, Bhubaneswar, Guwahati, Kohima, Ranchi. Now all of you open your book, page number 208. First we will discuss about the city of Kolkata. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Its old name was Calcutta. कोलकाता का पुराना नाम क्या है? कलकत्ता. It is situated on the banks of river Hooghly. It is situated on the banks of river Hooghly. The city has the famous Howrah Bridge. It is now called Ravindra Setu. There is another bridge built on river Hooghly called Vidyasagar Setu. Now the climate of Kolkata. Kolkata is neither hot nor cold. It is humid and warm during the monsoons. Humid means humus. It receives heavy rainfall between the months of June and September. Now, the people of Kolkata. Bangla is the main language. People speak Bangla. The main language is Bangla. Men wear dhoti kurta or shirt trousers, and women wear saris, salwar kameez, jeans, and skirts. The famous food items are rice, fish curry and rasgulla. The main festival is Durga Puja. Durga Puja is the main festival of Kolkata. Now the industries of Kolkata. There are many industries such as jute, silk, rice, paper and chemicals. Now the transport of Kolkata. Kolkata has an underground metro. In some areas, trams also run. The main railway stations are Howrah and Sealdah. The main tourist attractions are Victoria Memorial, Fort William, Birla Planetarium, Alipur Zoo, Nikko Park, Ravindra Sarovar, Belur Met and Science City. Okay, understood all of you?
The lively East. In the eastern part of the India, we can explore many beautiful cities like Kolkata, Bhubaneswar, Guwahati, Kohima, Raipur and Ranchi. So let's talk about each one in detail. Kolkata. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. It was earlier also known as Calcutta. Kolkata is situated along the banks of river Hooghly. It is a major port. The hanging bridge on Hooghly was called Howrah Bridge. It is now called Ravindra Setu. Kolkata is neither hot nor cold. It receives heavy rain between the month of June and September. People here enjoy celebrating festivals. Durga Puja is the main festival. Most people eat rice, fish curry and rasgulla are the popular food items. There are many industries in Kolkata like jute, silk, rice, paper and chemical industries. Whereas the transport system here is developing. Kolkata has an underground metro. Trams also run in some areas. The main railway stations are Howrah and Sildar. There are many places to see in the city. Victoria Memorial, the Fort William, Birla Planetarium, Alipur Zoo, Nico Park, and Science City are some popular places tourists like to see.
Now come to the page number 210. The next city is Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. It is also called the city of temples. It is also known as the city of temples. Now the climate of Bhubaneswar. Summers are hot and humid. Humid means humus, while winters are not very cold. Now the people of Bhubaneswar. People speak Odia. The main language is Odia. Now the tourist attractions of Bhubaneswar. The main tourist spots are Khandagiri and Udaygiri caves, Odisha State Museum, Pathane Samanta Planetarium, Nandan Kanan Zoo and Kanzia Lake. Bhubaneswar is also famous for its stonework, bell metal work, wood carving and patta chitra painting. Understood this topic? The next city is Guwahati. Guwahati is situated on the banks of river Brahmaputra. It is situated on the banks of river Brahmaputra. Guwahati is the biggest city in Assam. Now the people of Guwahati. People speak Assamese and Bangla. The main languages are Assamese and Bangla. Now the tourist attractions of Guwahati. The main tourist spots are Kamakhya Temple, State Museum, Srimanta Sankaradeva Kalakshetra and Forest Museum. Guwahati is famous for its handicrafts and woolen shawls. And Bihu is the main folk dance of Assam. Bihu is the main festival celebrated in the city. Okay, understood this topic? The next city is Kohima. It is the capital of Nagaland. Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. Now the climate of Kohima. It is a beautiful city with pleasant summers and chilly winters. Now the people of Kohima. People speak Angami and English. The main languages are Angami and English. Now the tourist attractions of Kohima. The main tourist spots are the War Cemetery, Zuko Valley, Jappu Peak, Naga Heritage Village and Zuleki are the famous tourist spots. Now the Hornbill Festival. It is one type of festival held in the month of December. Attracts tourists from all over the world. Understood this topic? Okay. Now take page number 211. The next city is Raipur. It is the capital of Chhattisgarh. Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh. River Mahanadi flows near the city. Now the climate of Raipur. Summers are hot and dry, winters are cold. Now the industries of Raipur. There are many industries such as coal industries, steel industries and aluminium industries. Now the people of Raipur. People speak Chhattisgarhi and Hindi. The main languages are Chhattisgarhi and Hindi. Now the tourist attractions of Raipur. The main tourist spots are Vivekanand Ashram, Mahant Ghasidas Memorial Museum and Shahid Smarak Bhavan. The city is famous for handicrafts. Okay, understood this topic? The last city is Ranchi. Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. It is the capital of Jharkhand. It is also known as the city of waterfalls. It is also known as the city of waterfalls such as Dasam Falls, Hundru Falls, Sita Falls and Jonha Falls. Now the climate of Ranchi. Summers are hot and humid while winters are cold. Now the people of Ranchi. People speak Hindi. Most people speak Hindi. Now the tourist attractions of Ranchi. The main tourist spots are Nakshatra Van, Tagore Hill, Sun Temple and Rock Garden. The city is also famous for handicrafts such as metal work and bamboo craft. Understood this topic? Okay. Now for the homework, learn all the exercises of chapter 1. Thank you.